working at Trustwave, one of the coolest things about Trustwave is we've got all of the best things about a small agile company and all of the great things about a well-established company. So the ability to go and execute and be flexible and go and do what we need to do for our clients, and also have that historic knowledge and the ability and the proven ability to go and do things for our customers. So it's like best of both worlds.
I really enjoy the culture. It's really kind of a cool mix of a mature company, but also like this entrepreneurial spirit. So we move quickly, we are agile, we adapt, and we're consistently doing this process improvement and moving to the next level, which for me is really exciting.
You know, I've worked for a lot of large corporates over my career, and rarely you get a business that is engaged from top down and bottom up. We're invested in our people, we're invested in our culture, and the ability to execute, get things done, make quick decisions with the right leadership support is absolutely critical. So it really makes Trustwave unique.
Specifically for somebody sitting, in Australia at the other end of the world, bumping into the CEO and having a fluent conversation about my business and the challenges I'm having, and having a very receptive conversation with that, with the CEO, just absolutely blows my mind that we're all taken very seriously and we're all, supported through the organization.
When I first started at Trustwave, I was a little lost, but I have teammates that helped me find and navigate the different teams to get the answers that I needed, the assistance that I needed, and to kind of bring my projects full circle with all of the team members involved. You never hear, it's not my job, or I don't know. What you hear is, let me find out for you, let me help you figure that out. And it really is that sense of team is what keeps me here. Everybody's invested.
Trustwave is an exciting place to work because of the growth spurt that we're going through right now. We are a company that has undergone a transformation from being very sort of product, feature, function focused to being one where we're actually helping clients secure their organizations. We're helping them to figure out how to reduce their risk, and we're helping them to do that from a very strategic perspective.
I often say that our job is to solve the hard problems, and I think that we're exceptionally good at that. But also, I find that the team that I work with are amazing at finding new and amazing ways to solve the hard problems in ways that I would never even begin to imagine.
We're recognized cybersecurity experts committed to sharing knowledge, developing our people, and investing in your success. We trust all our team members at every level with the autonomy to share your ideas and help solve real-world problems. We're always evolving to stay at the forefront of a fast-moving industry. Together, we innovate, collaborate, and grow every day.